खतरनाक लंबे बाल भाई आपके देख पता ही नहीं चलता था
मैं साइड हो जाऊँ क्या?
ना 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 चलेगा
नहीं
ओनली
आएगी ना?
नहीं नहीं एंड चलेगा भी आओगे भी तो ठीक है लेट्स स्टार्ट ओके हे शिवानी
Hi.
तो we'll just do a random very casual go through of your sketchbook and we'll hear your stories of your sketchbook.
Okay, sure. So this is during I think last year, during Heritage Festival in Pondicherry. So we did a workshop for like mapping during sketching. So this was like quite a complex place, like marketplace. So we drew like a map how where we were going, and also like where we sketched. So wherever we sketched, I put like a dot and then like an arrow. So like the fish market is here, the flower market is somewhere here, the temple. So I made like a rough map sorts. Um, so this was the
Empty
first
pages.
location. This is the entrance of the market, where you can see the tower and then the the
Wood
arch.
market.
The time also I wrote like to really capture it.
So cool.
Then I also made like a mini map on the side to know exactly where I was standing and looking.
These are all sketch pens, no? Yeah.
These are brush pens,
Okay.
Camel. So and then this was the flower market part of that little maze. This sketch was like I was just at it's like my local cafe.
Oh, so this people thing is really nice.
Yeah, actually, this like the location is urban sketching. Like I sat there and sketched, but the people I took pictures and then later on added. It's like my way of showing gratitude.
Yeah.
I wanted to do something.
So
nice
cool.
for me. It's like just random.
Hey, but these are really cool.
Yeah, we were just like
Good.
copying each
Yeah.
other's thoughts. Again, people sketching. So like my friends were having something, so I was sketching. So
The
this is
beach.
like the beach, the rock beach in Pondicherry. So there are like people doing different leisure activities, and I just wanted to show it. Like some kids are playing with the bubble, some are running, some people are just sitting and chilling. So just
This is
vibe.
that the beach that we went to this morning.
Yes. This is the other beach, Pondi Marina. So this, I think I used brush pens and also like acrylic markers, like a mix of both.
Nice.
Yeah. So there are some camels on that beach. So
What camels?
and then like the lighthouse
It
on
is.
the in the background.
is that a deserted beach
Pun intended. So this is again, I think a lot of my sketches are on the beach. This is that Gandhi statue.
Yeah.
And some people were just sitting on the footpath chilling, and then some people were watching us sketching.
Oh, this is only half a person.
Yeah, so that's why because I could see only
Yeah.
them, the spectator standing here. I've written. If you don't, yeah.
It was nice.
So this one was something like this. I actually sketched it while on a kayak, which was quite an experience.
You
I've
painted
never-
it also while you were on the kayak?
No. I just sketched. It looked something like this,
Achha.
very black and white. After I came home, I sort of because it was like shaking
Too
quite
much,
crazy.
yeah.
very Tintin vibe
Sorry,
this is a very Tintin vibe
Tintin. Oh yeah.
very Tintin colors
So this is more like of a leisure sketch. I was just
Hey, अच्छा, there's a dentist clinic. Okay.
yeah. So that's my dad. Like we were just sitting, and I also included some interesting
Umbrellas.
objects, like the umbrella. I really
This
liked.
looks like a smiley on the bag.
Oh yeah, it does. So that was in the trains. That's my sister. It's also like I've used different art materials. So here it's just pencil.
Nice.
That's like pen. And this one is more composed, where you're like serious in sketching. Like you want to make something
Yeah.
pretty and like conventionally beautiful. So
This was what wall?
it was like a
mural?
poster.
Okay.
So there was a performance going on inside.
Okay.
of Chow.
My God, you added so much detail to this.
Yeah, because I really like the folk. So it was like folk performance of Chow, and this is the reason I wanted to sketch it because this was so cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's my dream to sketch at this the Theyyam in Kerala.
Oh yeah.
The Theyyam.
Last day, Theyyam.
Him.
Theyyam is a festival where you have that Kantara movie and there's that demigod.
Oh.
So Theyyam is a festival where there's a demigod thing in Kerala.
Yeah.
Yes.
I think when you guys went to Thrissur festival, that time also it was a Theyyam time, no?
that was Puram.
Oh, but we should go to Theyyam. Like I've heard so much about it.
Yeah. Even I
We'll do it this year.
Yeah. So this was like the Tamil Heritage Center in Auroville.
My God, the crow is as big as the
And this is
person.
a very Ghibli vibe. Like very Ghibli colors.
Yeah, like I think this
Hey,
was
you did that undertone in this, no?
yes, the
Yeah.
undertone, the yellow. I just put a yellow color first in the base, and then I added other colors. So it created this like photo filters jasa vibe.
Perfect, yeah.
Yeah. This
Hey,
is
this
just
is nice.
my time on the beach. I was trying to draw waves more, and also the boat that was
Hmm.
there. Um,
Wow.
so yeah, this is like just at night scribbles. Again, another serious like panoramic
Intact, okay.
sketch. This was like more of like the traditional Tamil house I wanted to sketch. So yeah,
So cool. Hey, that is me.
yes, that's this is like I tried gouache for urban sketching for the first time.
Nice.
This is from a performance. So it was supposed to be a Kalaripaitu performance, but I just ended up sketching the audience and then I got invested in the performance, so didn't sketch that. This is that flower market we went to this morning. Like the backside where my cycle
Yeah,
was
yeah,
parked. I think in these panoramic sketches I'm
Oh,
more
wow. I think this person has come out so well.
yeah, like there is more like movement, okay,
Yeah,
people
yeah,
are
very
doing different
dynamic,
things.
yeah.
Again, like I think it's a lot. Half of it is like just beach at the beach, like sketches.
So cool.
So here, like we did an exercise with like Pondicherry sketchers where we had chits, and each chit had different art material, and we whichever came that we had to choose it and attempt to paint. So I got charcoal, so I made crows,
So
and
nice.
then again a beach scene.
This is done in pencil, charcoal.
Charcoal, yeah. So it's the darker one is compressed charcoal. Lighter one is like that below charcoal, I think it's called. So that gives you this, blurry effect almost.
Oh.
So yeah,
Oh, wow.
I made that distinction.
I think drawing people with charcoal is a good idea.
I
It smudges, is it? This one?
This one,
No, this one, the dark one, it smudges.
the dark one is very hard to smudge actually.
Okay.
The light one is very easy. Oh, I think I like the impression has come and then now it looks like this is a
I was
far
actually
away.
wondering if this is an impression of this, but yeah, not
No,
really. Yeah, yeah.
These two are real and then this one and this one are real.
Hey, this is cool.
Yeah, I was trying to see which colors look good together for another project.
The classic yellow.
Yeah. I like the yellow and this, purplish blue combination. This was also supposed to be a panoramic sketch, but yeah, halfway through I was like, it started raining, I guess.
Nice.
I gave this sketchbook to someone else and then they sketched this.
Is this from a cafe, like a first floor, second floor kind of a?
No, we were on ground floor, like at the beach only.
Acha.
But I guess he wanted to show like the entire pathway. Yeah, he was from I think USK Surat or something.
Acha.
So they all came sketch. So that's the lighthouse. So I was trying to draw like almost like an anatomy of wave. So I've been studying waves. I have another sketchbook which has more studies, but this one has like okay how it falls, where the shade, like where the dark patches are, how sort of the wave dies down and like keeps bouncing in small these patterns, creates this pattern, the splash. So it was just like a study of how ocean behaves. Yeah. It's people sketching after a long
So
time
good.
because I felt like I should get back.
What is
into
this
it.
person doing?
I think they were looking at a mirror, like, oh, this is a really interesting building. I think we should go there next if we have
Hmm.
time. So they painted like a nice shop front, and in the interior they've made these animals, like really cool illustrations.
Hmm.
So yeah, this was.
You know, this gives me an idea of like let's say you have a facade, like a wall facade, जिसमें like mural is painted. So you start painting that, like you start sketching with the wall facade, and then those murals become a standalone thing by
Huh.
themselves. Like
Yeah.
this is going on.
Yeah.
Like you have murals here, and then like the murals kind of change into like a standalone
Huh.
thing like you have here.
Hmm.
Yeah.
That'll be a pretty cool illustration to do, like a
Yeah.
wall thing kind of. Yeah.
Here,
Nice.
I wanted to show like exterior is like this, the of the shop, and then interior you have this illustrations. It's still not. I think a lot of my sketches are like unfinished.
Like the first time I saw this, like that was what I thought like you didn't do. Like very cool.
So here it started by someone asked me, like, how do I sketch this? And
Oh.
this area, and I was like, actually, you know what? Even I don't know. So let me sketch.
Oh, that's the best way.
Yeah. So I sketched this, and then I started drawing the tree beside it, and then it just became a panoramic sketch.
Nice.
Yeah. Actually, this idea, right, of the foreground and framing using this trees and leaves, this I got from the handbook, Urban Sketching Handbook. It's a very interesting book which has like tips on how to use different materials also. So yeah, I definitely recommend it.
Nice.
This is like quite a funny story actually. So I've sketched this place quite like many times, and I was a little like bored. So I made it more into like composition of these Polaroids, and I drew like small
Oh.
moments all around and small details of the church rather
Nice.
than the entire thing. Another unfinished spread. So this was like a trek I went to in Bangalore recently, Uttara Beta. So in the famous Bangalore traffic, I was just like sketching.
When you said famous, I thought you were going towards famous Uttari better. But no,
No, famous
Bangalore.
traffic. I think the traffic is more famous than.
Yeah.
True.
This is when I met you guys for the first time at the museum, like a map, Museum of Art and Photography.
So good.
This is from here. Starts our Pondicherry Heritage mini sketch fest, what we are calling it.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's lovely. And you. This just like the ladies who work at the embroidery center, they were chatting and having their tea time.
Yeah.
And I thought it was like quite a nice gathering, so I just pulled out my sketchbook and started.
So nice.
Again, this is like different views that I saw in the embroidery center. This is the woman who is embroidering. This is a girl, woman who is sketching her.
Oh, you are there in a lot of frames. Lovely.
Yeah. Oh, we played the start and stop game.
Yeah. It's kind of so much fun.
Yeah. So each of us just during the walk through Pondicherry lanes played a start and stop. There's like people drinking tea, like again people sketching. I haven't done it in a while. So.
You're going to color them later?
I don't know actually. I like it that it has that fast, like that dynamic nature. And this is like the most recent one, few hours ago that we did. Fish market. I think this was like very interesting. Like I was surprised how I didn't do it sooner. But yeah,
Yeah.
so yeah, that's it. Last page.
Okay, tell us about your sketch walk that you do.
With Pondicherry sketches.
Yeah.
So I started Pondicherry sketches around 2 years ago. So I mean, everyone knows like Pondicherry is such a scenic city. So I thought there will be a USK chapter or some sort of a sketching group already. Since there was none, I was like, why not start? Because I'm going to sketch anyway. Might as well collect a few people and have more fun. So yeah, that's how it started. Earlier, I remember first 2-3 sketch meets, I was the only one with a sketchbook. Then another person, then 4 people, and then now we have like usually we have at least like around 10 people minimum, and maximum we have had like around 25-30. So yeah, it also depends on the weather here.
Yeah, of course.
So yeah. So we also have like once a year we have Heritage Festival here in Pondicherry, and we collaborate with them and do interesting like heritage related sketch walks and workshops. So yeah, that's.
And if you had to see somebody else's sketchbook, whose would it be?
Oh, okay.
Who?
Like anyone in the world, like what is the criteria?
Okay, world and local, both.
Oh, local.
Huh.
Okay. Yeah, I think I do want to see Ravling's sketchbook because last time I think we didn't get to see a lot. So, yeah.
Okay.
Saying like from history, I was going to say Leonardo da Vinci or something.
Oh.
So my brain was there, so it couldn't come in the real time.
if only we could.
Maybe someone from Urban Sketches Bangalore, and they might make it happen if you want to see someone sketch, sketchbook from there.
Ah, Versa.
Then we'll have to do a Bangalore sketch fest.
Oh, I think this lady, I forgot her name. Sunita Sketches.
Who's she? Sarita.
She lives in the US, San Francisco, I
Yeah.
think.
Oh, she comes to Bangalore, USK.
No. She doesn't come. She comes to India, I think. But yeah.
And even Uma.
She also doesn't stay in India.
Yes.
No, we are talking about local people so that they can record it like.